What's going on, everybody? Oregon Motorcycle back. Today we are playing with my new drone that you are seeing the footage from right now. I picked up the Mavic Mini just a couple days ago. This is actually like only my third or fourth flight with it, so I'm still kind of getting used to it. It flies very close to my Phantom 4 that I had. I got rid of that after 4 years of heavy use. So yeah, it was time to get an update and get something new and get something portable. This thing is really tiny, fit in the palm of my hand basically, and it shoots real good video, I think, as you guys can see here. See my shiny CB500X all shined up for you guys for the video. I just washed it and waxed it. This thing's running good. I just hit 1,000 miles today on the way home from work on it, so, and I'm super impressed with it. But yeah, we're gonna just take some shots here before the rain starts and all that good jazz. So yeah, and I got this thing so I can maybe start incorporating some drone footage in some of my shots. Get back over here so I can talk to you guys. Yeah, so I want to bring this along on some of my adventures and stuff, so I can show you guys and give you some better placement and stuff. I know some of you guys know that I do a little bit of commercial work with drones, and I've been doing aerial photography for, I mean, a solid 15 years. I was doing aerial photography before drones came out. I used to fly a big, large helicopter with a bunch of camera gear under it, so I have a pretty good concept for it and stuff, and it's just something I haven't shared with you guys yet, and I hope to start to include some more of that in my videos in the future. So without further ado, let's see what we can do.